If you want to change your region on Steam, there are a few very important rules you need to know first, because in 2026, this is no longer something you can safely do with a VPN. Steam now ties your store country to your real physical location and your local payment method, so if you try to spoof your region, you could get flagged or even restricted. In this video, I'll show you exactly how region changes on Steam work, what you need before you start, and how to update your store country the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand the two main requirements. Number one, you must actually be in the new country. Steam checks your IP address and other account signals, so this process is meant for people who have genuinely moved or are currently living in a different region. Number two, you need a local payment method from that country. That can be a credit card, debit card, or a local payment app issued in the country you want to switch to. Without both of these, Steam usually will not let you update your region. Now let's walk through the process. Start by logging into your Steam account while you are in your new location. Once you are signed in, go to the Steam store and add any item to your cart. It does not have to be an expensive game. In fact, the cheapest game you can find is usually the easiest way to test the change. After the item is in your shopping cart, look to the right side of the cart page for the country drop-down menu. This is the setting that controls your store region. Click the country drop-down and select your new country. As soon as you choose it, Steam should update the prices, currency, and store availability to match that region. If the option is available, continue to checkout and complete the purchase using your local payment method from that same country. This final step is important because the successful purchase is what confirms your new store country with Steam. Once the transaction goes through, your Steam store country should be updated. In most cases, this becomes your new region going forward, and Steam will use it for pricing and purchases. Just remember that this is not something you can keep changing back and forth whenever you want. Steam has a 3-month cooldown, which means you can only change your region once every 3 months. If you recently changed it, the option may be grayed out until that cooldown period ends. There is also an important wallet balance note. If you already have Steam wallet funds, those funds may be converted to the new currency using the current daily exchange rate. So before making a region change, it is a good idea to check your wallet balance and understand how it may be affected. And here's the biggest warning: do not use a VPN to try to bypass regional pricing. Steam considers that a violation of its terms of service. In 2026, Steam's detection for this is very strong, and using a VPN can result in your account being flagged, limited, or permanently restricted. So the safe and correct method is to only change your region if you are truly in that country and have a valid local payment method. If you are just traveling temporarily, Steam recommends not changing your region at all. In that case, you can keep using your home country store and your usual payment methods while you are abroad. That is the safest choice for short trips and avoids unnecessary account issues. So, to quickly recap, log in from your new country, add an item to your cart, choose the new country from the drop-down, and complete the purchase with a local payment method. Once that succeeds, your Steam store country will be updated. Just keep the cooldown, wallet conversion, and VPN warning in mind before making any changes. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more gaming and software guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to check your current Steam store country and what to do if the region option does not appear.